Thanks so much for staying with us. Now, we continue to see stable conditions over the Caribbean region this evening, and we are expecting more stability over the next few days. There are scattered mid to upper level clouds, but we're not seeing any significant shower or thunderstorm development across the region. The forecast for tonight is for generally fair skies across the island, with temperatures dropping to 24 degrees Celsius in Kingston and in Montego Bay. In the morning tomorrow, you can expect more of that sunshine, especially across sections of southern and northwestern parishes. And then for the afternoon, we expect generally sunny conditions to continue spreading across most of the Jamaica area. Temperatures are reaching 32 degrees Celsius in Kingston and in Montego Bay. More sunshine is forecast for the southeast tomorrow. Expect partly cloudy skies in the afternoon for Maypen and Mandeville. It's partly cloudy in the afternoon in Santa Cruz as well, but generally sunny in Black River, Savannah, Lamar, and the Grill. Expect clouds in the morning if you're in the northeast, in Port Antonio or Port Maria. Expect clouds as well for the Brownstone area, especially in the afternoon, while elsewhere across the north we do have generally sunny conditions forecast. Now, for the next few days, there are sunny conditions expected on Monday and Tuesday, but we do have some shower activity expected on New Year's Eve on Wednesday and also on New Year's Day. Now, for the marine forecast, on the north coast, the winds tomorrow are northeasterly at 10 to 15 knots. Wave heights are between 1 and 1.5 meters. On the south coast tomorrow, expect an east-northeasterly wind at 10 to 15 knots with the wave heights between 1 and 1.5 meters. While for offshore areas, the winds are east-northeasterly reaching 20 knots. Wave heights reach 2 meters. There are currently no warnings in effect. And for our outlook, we're expecting the winds to be dropping down to 50 knots on Monday, continuing to Tuesday and Wednesday. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. We thank you so much for watching.